on opposite time zones.
So I have to change my sleep schedule. And that has made it really difficult to keep up any kind of job. Thankfully, Jabon sends me $400 to $500 once a month. Ma! Tingnan! Buksan mo ko yung gate. Ha? My mom and I live next to each other. And she has a small store. Ma, may mga binili ako. Tingnan mo. Ano yan? Patingin? I feel like we're more like best friends. But she's a very timid, shy woman. And I'm more like... Kailangan ko ng pandagdag ng height kasi si Jobon mataas yung height difference namin.